Hello everyone, my name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations. Most people know it as day of coordinations, but actually month of because you cannot really plan a wedding in a day. Month of coordination is where you hire a coordinator to oversee the last planning and day off of your wedding. So most people refer that the day off, but it actually like a month before the wedding, a planner or coordinator will come in and you turn all everything that you have been doing prior, and then they handle that for you. We do destinations wedding, we do interior home design, we do home stations, we do all types of events, we do decor and planning. So whether it's some office space or you selling a home and you want us to decor, or whether it's a planning from a concert to a summit to any event, milestone birthday, milestone celebrations, we do that as well. We plan and decor. We also do designing. And the designing is that what will help you. Let's say if you're planning an event and you have no idea what you want to do, how you want the colors to look, what the color scheme is, what kind of theme, how you want to put the whole idea look, we actually do that as well. So it's more than just planning. We do our packages customized to fit my clients because no two clients are alike. So we tailor a package because let's say if you want a full service, or maybe the full service have a little bit less than you want, or you want to add more into, we can tailor a package to fit your need. I am a certified wedding planner and a florist. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. So as I stated today, I'm going to talk to you about flowers, some of the different kind of flowers, and I'm actually going to show you. So I'm going to take a quick pause and take you down to the studio so you can see some of the flowers, and then I can talk to you more in detail about how the flowers work. Stay tuned. Okay, and I'm back. So these are hydrangeas. These are filler flowers, especially when you're doing these are fresh flowers when you're doing your centerpieces and decor. These are the flowers that they bloom during the summer. They are filler. What it means is that they easily fill up things quicker and cause you to use less flowers. So these are fresh hydrangeas, and we also have these are football mops. Those are another flower so that you can use flowers. These little ones are baby carnations, and these can make your ideal centerpieces. The flowers that I'm doing right now, this client want an all white look. So we have these flowers, and I'm gonna try to see if I can put the centerpieces. Once I put the centerpieces together, do a video of it and show you guys, but I just want to show you the flowers, some of the flowers. And these are letter leaves. These are greenery. These are letter leaves, but you can also go by the name of Baker's Ferns. So these are the filler flowers that you use, and this is the white foam oasis. So it's the wet foam. You take it comes in a block, and you wet the forms and actually make the put the fresh flowers in it to help preserve the centerpieces. So you have your greenery where they give it this overall look to fill the flowers. And before you put your hydrangeas, all the other flowers that you're going to use. This is the foam, the aqua foam before it's get wet. So what you do, you get the foam, so you put it in the water for about a minute or 2 minutes, and then before you start to install your flowers. A little down the line, I'm going to go in more detail about how the whole setting up our flowers and a little details, but I just thought that I show you guys some of the things that I have and working on as this wedding season. And then I also have these beautiful arrangement that was made for a dramatic centerpiece. So as I continue to do this, I'm definitely going to show you guys. So everything look a little crazy right now because I am trying to pull things together, but some point I will try to get things together so I can show you guys over lower some of the works that I have been doing. So I just want to take a look to show you guys how beautiful these are. So I mean, the aroma is its freshness is just beautiful. And I love hydrangeas. So it's about, right now, these hydrangeas is about 60. They the name hydrangeas is because they use a lot of water to survive. As per the cup, it's one of the flowers that you have to make sure that they are properly hydrated, because it's actually in the name hydrangeas. If they're not properly hydrated, they can die. At some point, like I said, after the wedding season, I will try to go on a tutorial to show you guys how to properly care for your flowers. You can also sign up for my class later on down the line if you want to know more. So I just wanted to share you guys some of the things that I am currently doing. So it's crazy busy, but I still try to take the time to talk to you guys about different things. And as I say, after the wedding season, when things is not so crazy, then I can actually have the time to go and talk more in detail about how to plant the flowers, how to decor your flowers. And you can also sign up for my classes, lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, where you can register and I can teach you from start to finish how to plan your wedding, how to take care of your flowers. But hydrangeas in general, those are flowers when you are planning a wedding, you want to use hydrangeas. Reason being is that hydrangeas typically, they are fuller, they are bigger, they are very pretty white flowers. They comes in all color. They come in green, they come in blue, they come in pink, they happen to come in tricolor as well. And you can sometimes you can also spray them and change the colors of them, but they just to bring your centerpieces to life. So especially for you have a wedding budget where you don't have enough money for flowers, hydrangeas is pretty much a good flower that will fill it. That's why they call it filler flowers, because they easily fill out your centerpieces to make it bigger and folder. Whereas when you're just using all roses, where roses are slimmer, timber, so you might typically use more. So on your iris centerpiece, in if you put about 5 to 6 or sometimes even 4, based on how big it is, but on a giant size hydrangea, on the medium size I should say, if you do 5 to 6, they can make a decent size. Or sometimes if you wanted to be that giant ball of flowers for a large, then you probably can use about 10 to 15 based on how big it is. Sometimes based on how big the flowers are. The bigger they are, the fuller they are, is you probably will use less than that. But I'm going to talk more in detail. I said after the wedding, so it's just that right now it's so crazy busy that, you know, with flowers and those are the things that I like to take my time and actually talk to you guys about and actually show you as I'm working through them, instead of just, you know, giving you, because I feel like with flowers, you learn a lot better than somebody just telling you when you actually see the process from start to finish, how that goes. So I talk about some of the flowers that are good all year round, the annual flowers that are good for wedding where would be cheaper. And I also talk about seasonal flowers as well, and some of the high-end flowers that you can look at prior videos and you can see which flowers that works best for your wedding. If you're not a flower person, you can do candles. You can put ultimate centerpieces. There's sometimes you can do maybe one flower centerpiece and then maybe like a candle or a lantern or anything that you want, some kind of picture frame, things that kind of go with your scheme to cut down a lot of your wedding budget. So you can do that as well, and it can really help. But what I'm going to try to, as I stated, what I'm going to try to do is that hopefully, even if it's not everything, I'll probably just do a recording, maybe take a couple of pictures and put it out on the channel so that you guys can actually see the after work of some of the decor. But in the meantime, you can also go to my website and see some of my work. Social media, I'm a little my staff, because it's like I said, this year is really busy, so we're a little behind on putting pictures and things up, but I definitely will continue to put that up so that way you guys can see some of the work that we do. But there are some on the website. But once again, thank you for tuning in tonight. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO of Lynda Perfection Creations. Please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. It's always good talking to you guys, and I love this because I feel like it's a little breath of fresh air what I get to sit there and talk to people. And if I can make an impact in anybody's life in any kind of way, it makes my day better. And I look forward to that because I know where I started from, where I came from, and humble beginnings it means a lot to me. Because we as people, we need people to succeed and people to grow. You cannot do it by yourself. So somebody help me to be who I am right now, and I want to, share that same love with them, because God first and everybody second. But it's that when you have information, I feel like when you have it, it's good to share it. But thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.